Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I try to extract targets from the sand as quick as I can to save time and efficiency while being out hunting. We will be selecting the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? And at the end of this video, I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I got a target here to extract. Should be fairly easy. I'm just going to take a big scoop. It's out, I think. Maybe. Nope. Take another big scoop. This stuff is really thick, so I didn't toss it. Alright, I'm just going to spread this out evenly. That doesn't sound all that good. Alright, it's in the scoop. And there is a quarter. That didn't sound all that great, but got it extracted. Okay guys, I'll show you where I'm at. Here in Huntington. Okay guys, I got a target right here. It could be multiple coins, I'm not sure yet. So here's the thing. I want to teach you guys how quickly I extract them, even though you guys see me struggle on some of these extractions. So what I do, so I know this area right here is nice and quiet. I'm going to walk all the way around it. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to throw it right on top of the pile I just detected. It's out. I didn't have to throw it very far, so it's right there, extracted, and there's a penny. All right, that's probably a trash target, 7/8 foil. Usually if you notice, it's not very deep. Okay, so I just give it a kick to see if I see any foil. I'll give it one more kick to see if I see any foil, because foil usually sits right up on top. It's out now, so there it is. It wasn't really foil, it's just an old bottle cap. But that was a shallow target, okay? So we need to be fast and efficient, okay? The faster and efficient. See, I got 30 minutes to get over there. I told Irene and Andrew I would meet them at the pier at 5:30. All right, it's 5 o'clock right now. Okay guys, I got a target right here. So it's shallow, right? So if it's just shallow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a scoop and I'm gonna hold on to it. I got it out, now I can just shake that out. And there's that pull tab. Fast extraction. I literally just shut the camera off. Doug right there, and right next to here is got a lot of iron grunts, but look at that black sand too. Out. So that's a penny, I think. I think I see it right there. Yep, 21 out of the hole. My favorite things is always to come over to this station, this lifeguard tower that hardly ever gets used by lifeguards, but people always store their stuff on it and around it, and I always find, like I dug a couple bottle caps right here, but now I got a good chirp. You can hear that's a bottle cap. Well, that sounds like a quarter. Now I'm going to hold on to this scoop. I got it out, and I'm just going to sift it out. Even though this is really thick stuff, it just makes it easier sometimes. So each time I do an extraction, that's exactly my goal, is to get it out as quick as I can so I can move on to the next target. Maybe another one right here. So I got it out. That's a really thick one. So I'm just going to give it a lot of shakes to get that out. And there's a dime. It will take all the time. That could be a penny, I just can't see. and I didn't turn on my light. So that post is where I used to chain up my bike, and right below it, right here. Now, because of the angle that I'm at, I'm going to throw this out of the hole. All right, I got it out. Oh, and you can see the car. That made an easier extraction. All right, well, I guess that's a tractor or piece of equipment. All right, what's up here? All right, so I put my scoop in here to mark it. It sounded solid when I first started digging it. Now I can hear a little grunt, so that maybe like a bottle cap. I am being super careful because this is super thick stuff. Got it out, and it's a bottle cap. I like pulling gold rings out much better. And rings look much better in the scoop, but I got it out, got it extracted, and I'm moving on. I don't have to fill that hole. Mother Nature did it for me. Ooh, come on, another nickel or gold ring. Out. Oh, I threw the nickel right there. Look at that. Talk about extraction technique. That's wonderful. I love this area where the sand had just recently washed away, because this was dry sand, right? So, right here. And shall we just scoop it with the feet? Oh, that's a little thicker. No. We'll just throw it out. Might be a little bit deeper than I thought. So it's not going to be shallow. Ah, car. That's why it said it was shallow. Ooh, I'm getting some sporty looking cars. Alright, I got a target right here. Come on, Wave, you gonna come up here now? Yeah, maybe. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it's gonna be too thick to rinse, so we'll just dump it up here. Come on, fall out of there. Boy, that stuff's like clay. I think we got a ring. I think we got a ring. We have a ring. Got a target right here. Shallow penny. Whoa! Let's see if I got it. It's a ring. It's a ring and a sand crab. Wow. That thing almost took me away there. Sweet! It didn't take me away. Let me go rescue the sand crab first. I did get a ring. It might be so. Whoa! Sand crab, you can survive right there. Let's dig this one too. I do have a ring on my finger right now. But you dig targets as quick as you can. Get them out. I'm gonna go up just a little bit. It's probably just a penny. It's not, it's a ring. It's another ring. Holy crap, I think we got gold. No way. No way. No way. Yeah, way! That was 18K, guys, and you'll see that in an upcoming video. I just want to point out that each one of these target extractions had a little bit different type of sand. And I will tell you, there's no one perfect way to extract a target, whatever is fastest for you. And you have to develop your comfort level when you dig. I've been digging a lot over the years, and I know I can toss something out real quick, get it out of the scoop. The faster you can recover a target, it means you can move on to the next one. And for someone who hunts the dry sand as much as I do, I know target recovery, repetitive, over and over and over and over again, is what you need to do fast and efficient. All right, you see my wrap-ups. Do you really pay attention to the pile of trash? Okay, even though you know I go to the trash can for the bigger targets, but a lot of the bottle caps and the other stuff, you see how many targets. We're talking hundreds and hundreds of targets, and the fastest I can dig that up off the beach, the faster I can move on to the next. And there's no perfect way of extracting a target. Now, when I'm in the wet sand, I do like to have the water assist, right? But I like to control that, and it's hard in Southern California when you have that wave action. And that's why you see me develop the habit of walking my target back up out of the wave's way, right? Where I'm not going to have my target washed away. And then I dump it out after I know it's in the scoop, okay? And the reason I do that and not sift it out in the water is a lot of times I don't trust the size of the target. It may sound solid, but it could be a smaller target. And you don't want to lose a target. And in the wet, you see a diamond ring fall out of that scoop and it get washed away, the odds of you recovering are slim to none. And I've lost one. And I know for a fact it was a diamond ring because I was trying to recover it for the lady who lost it, and I could never recover it again. And that's why I know it was a diamond ring. So guys, I hope this helps you guys, and just develop your own skills and your techniques as you scoop out. Just try to be as fast and efficient and moving on to the next target. And that's just how Jim does it. And you guys are going to love some of the new videos coming up because that was a banner day. That gold ring is fantastic. I absolutely love it. It's one of my new favorites. So guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, another area that Jim likes to hunt is like the volleyball areas. This particular posts the kite surfers use. They tie up their kites to him and lay out the ropes and strings just in case the kite was to blow away. It's tied to this post. So this area down here I always hunt because people throw their bags and their stuff right in this area. They also do it on that post over there. And then if you look, they also string, you know, their volleyball nets up. Okay guys, but right here I got a target. Let me take my earphones and put them on you as you're getting the earphones. Okay guys, would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below with what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Guys, I'm going to give you a 90 degrees here. Okay guys, let's dig this one up. It is a coin spill. 2 pennies and a nickel. Let's make sure that's the only thing that was in that hole. That's the only thing that was in that scoop, and it sounded quiet. Out of that hole, that was it. Okay guys, so 7 cents. Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to open my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to select pick a winner. Comment must contain the words coin, spill. Pick a winner. Morton Yakima. Congratulations. I'm gonna guess coin spill. Well, Morton, congratulations. Coin spill was the perfect answer. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, Morton Yakima. Send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged. I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday, happening right now. So let's check this one out. Okay guys, I have a target right here for you. Let me go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Alright, I'm going to go 90 degrees one more time. Okay guys, let's dig this one up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. And guys, if you like my videos, please click like. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. Ring in this bell and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video, and please take a look at either one of these videos.